Kyle. Today we are on Windows 11. We're taking a look at how to fix your microphone if it's not working. Let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do is come down to the Windows Start menu. Go ahead and click that and type in Control Panel. You should see this option here. Select that and go View By, and you can choose which size icons, but it must be either large or small icons. Then head over to Sound. Once you're in Sound, you want to head over to Recording, and you should see your microphone in here. Go ahead and double click on that. Once here, you can come to Advanced, and we are going to remove exclusive control. So go ahead and make sure those are both unchecked. Then let's come over to Levels and make sure that this speaker icon here looks like this. You do not want it with the red X over it. Go ahead and hit Apply, OK, and you should be all good. Your issue should be resolved. Typically we see this happen after Zoom calls. If you were in the Zoom meeting and muted your mic and then left, it tends to happen that your mic gets hard muted. So this is how you would disable that and then disable that from happening again. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.